Another beautiful day with the sun shining in the workshop. Some days it just floods in like this. It's gorgeous. Cold, but you know, it's lovely. So here's some of the stuff I'm making. This is all to do with spare wheel and boot area. There you go, got a bumper on. Just made that up. That's for that one, you see. That does that. And it replaces... Where's the old one gone? Replaces that. So that's what we had. That's from accident damage. And they've repaired it. Not very well by the looks of it. And then this is the bit I put in so I could pull it, because I had to pull it straight, didn't I, on the back of it. So I've got to make that bit yet. I have to make that. But that's it. See? And that's where the bolt goes to hold the bumper on. Hold the bumper iron on. So that's that bit. See, that was from the accident damage. That's where I had to pull it there. The boot floor. New boot floor there. This is our spare wheel well, which sadly is too big. So I've had to cut it through here, and I've had to cut a section out and pull that together, and then I've got to weld that onto the other bit. So before I can weld it onto this bit, I've got to shrink it all up. And shrink that edge, tip it up. So that'll work. So that's going to keep you busy, isn't it? But there we are. I wouldn't get bored, would I? So that's what I took out of that spare wheel well. That's how much I had to take out of it to close it up, as it were. That had to come out there. But that'll work, won't it? We can do that. And I made that up. Let's get the size right. So that's just a template, so I can work out my sizing. And you see? So that's so I can get my sizing right that way. I could do another template. Oh, that's it. That one. You can see that gives me my lines to work to. Obviously this side is too far up, but of course as I work on that, shrink that in, that will start to bend back down again. So that's it. Use the wheel, a little bit of wheel to smooth it out. And that'll keep you busy, won't it? Plenty to do.